To speak, sprechen. To speak, sprechen, sprechen. Sprechen is divided into two syllables, sprechen, sprechen. Worttrennung literally means word separation, which means syllabification. So breaking the word up into syllables. Sprechen. To speak, sprechen. This little dot indicates that we stress the first syllable here. So sprechen, sprechen, sprechen. You speak. Now let's go ahead and conjugate the verb, meaning let's give it a subject, and we're going to be working with the present tense right now. So we've given it the subject, which is you, the formal you, and speak. So in German that would be Sie sprechen, Sie sprechen. Sie, notice the pronunciation here, Z, Sie sprechen, Sie sprechen. And this means you speak as a statement. Sie sprechen, you speak. You speak, Sie sprechen, Sie sprechen. English, 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 English. The syllabification for this word is eng and lish. English. Stress is here on the first syllable. English, English. So you can see where I'm going with this now. We have a complete sentence. This is just a statement. If you were to tell somebody, you speak English, how would you do that in German? Just put it all together. Sie sprechen Englisch. Sie sprechen Englisch. Sie sprechen Englisch. You speak English. Sie sprechen Englisch. Sie sprechen English. Now the language German, in German, is Deutsch. German, Deutsch, German, Deutsch. The syllabification for this word is, well, there is none. It's just one syllable. Deutsch, Deutsch, one continuous sound. Deutsch, Deutsch. The stress is on the diphthong here, the two vowels together. Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Stress is Betonung in German. Betonung, die Betonung, the stress. Deutsch. Now, you speak German. Put it all together. Sie sprechen Deutsch. Sie sprechen Deutsch. Remember, this is just a simple statement. Like if you were to tell someone, you speak German, or, oh, you speak German. Ah, Sie sprechen Deutsch. Sie sprechen Deutsch. You speak German. Sie sprechen Deutsch. Now let's learn how to ask a question. If you want to ask someone, do you speak? In this case, we reverse the word order. We do the conjugated verb first and then the subject. So the verb form first and then the subject. So the question, do you speak, is sprechen Sie. Literally this means speak you. This is how Germans will ask a question. Sprechen Sie. Do you speak? Sprechen Sie. Do you speak English? Put it all together. Sprechen Sie with English, and you have Sprechen Sie Englisch? Sprechen Sie English? Do you speak English? Sprechen Sie English? Remember, if you're a beginner, repeat as much as possible at the beginning. That will help you to become more fluent. Remember, fluent really just means flowing. Sprechen Sie Englisch? Sprechen Sie English? Do you speak English? Sprechen Sie English? Okay, so let's review what we've learned so far, and I've added a little bit more vocabulary here. So you speak, Sie sprechen. If I want to say you speak English, Sie sprechen English. You speak German, Sie sprechen Deutsch. You speak Spanish, Sie sprechen Spanisch. You speak French, Sie sprechen Französisch. You speak Italian, Sie sprechen Italienisch. You speak Portuguese, Sie sprechen Portugiesisch. Now the question, do you speak? Sprechen Sie? Do you speak English? Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak German? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Do you speak Spanish? Sprechen Sie Spanisch? Do you speak French? Sprechen Sie Französisch? Do you speak Italian? Sprechen Sie Italienisch? Do you speak Portuguese? Sprechen Sie Portugiesisch? Okay, if you're ready to continue learning German, you can join me for the next lesson by clicking on the video that appears here on your screen.